Yeah, I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content. We are multicultural here. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. If you'd like to support my channel in different ways, if you're already a subscriber, if you're not, here are some ways that you can do that. In general, if you like the videos, if you like them, the little thumbs up button, that lets me know that you like them. It also lets YouTube know that you like the content. Also, comment down below. I love comments. I am very, very involved with my community here. If you leave a comment, if you ask a question, I always respond. If I don't respond, it's because I didn't see it, but I do respond to all my comments. So I would love for you to comment down below. That also lets YouTube know that you are involved, that you like the content, that you're engaged with the content. And so that's a way to support me. Also, if you subscribe, that is a great way to support the channel. It's a great way to become one of my little doll babies. We're such a great little family here on my channel, so I would love for you to subscribe. Also, if you find a video that you think someone else might be interested in, go ahead and share that video. If you share it on your other social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, what have you, then that also lets YouTube know, like, hey, I'm sharing this, I like this, keep this girl around. All of the wigs that I review that I do not keep, which is a very large majority of them, are sold on my Poshmark. My Poshmark is linked below. I will also do a pinned comment with all the different links that I'm going to discuss. But if you go to my Poshmark, you can find the wigs that I review on sale. I use the monies from my Poshmark to purchase more wigs to review for this channel. So it is a cycle that's really, really important to keeping this going. Last but not least, if you want to support as a choice, you can donate through Buy Me a Coffee. It's set up just like you buying me a coffee. My coffee options are $1, $3, and $5. You can choose the amount of coffee, and then you can also choose if you want to buy me 5 $3 coffees, one $1 coffee, one $3 coffees. It is a one-time donation. You can do it as many or as few times as you would like. You can also let me know in the note what you would like that coffee money to go towards. If you check out my community tab, I always let people know what I have used my coffee monies for. Lately, the coffee monies have been going to these multicultural models, but I use them for different things just to support the channel and to support my community here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to having you on my channel as one of my little doll babies, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye!